Welcome to the Wiki General. In this informative video, I will teach you what does CC mean on Instagram. Before starting a video, if you are the new user on our channel, please subscribe to our channel. So on Instagram, there are various contexts where you can encounter CC. The common one is when someone posts a picture of or a video with some coloring effect. In such cases, CC means coloring credit, which is a courteous way of recognizing someone for their effort, and also CC stand for a concern and comments. So now we are going to show you what is the CC mean actually. And Instagram more than just a social media platform, but people use the platform for business activity, including getting endorsement, promotion, and selling at work. So therefore you will often encounter some acronyms that require research to understand their meaning. So we will show you some different way that how you will use the CC and what meaning of the CC. So the first one is the Creative Commons, and in this case the CC is a license that permit creator to share their work with other freely. So the contents share could be the articles, video, pictures. If you can across an Instagram photo with a CC license, that's why the telling you that's way of telling you that you can share the picture without copyright issue or permission for the creator. And the second meaning of that is the color credit, a good way of crediting someone of their color correction on a given picture or a video is to use CC. So some applies when you need to repost someone's content on Instagram and as a gesture of goodwill, and you want to give a credit to the person who wrote the caption. For instance, if you want to repost a photo with funny caption and the images is posted and on another person's Instagram account, you can post the picture and add CC followed by the Instagram. If at someone you are giving credit for their color correction, you can post the content at the bottom and add the message CC with @ and type the name of the person or the frame. So that's where you acknowledge the person who added the color correction to the video, picture, and clips. So these are the sample steps to how to what does mean by the CC on Instagram. If this video is informative for you, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.